Hi guys! We need materials for our experiment in Gensai. You can just volunteer with what you can bring.
I will bring water and oil.
I can bring dish, soap, and rubbing alcohol. I volunteer on bringing the plastic beads and honey.
Print the CLA3 and
Could you repeat that? There were some dogs barking in the background.
I'll print the CLA3 and study the instructions for tomorrow.
I'll bring the soda cups and a rug. How many are needed?
I think 2 cups are already fine. I'll bring some 3 pieces of milk bolts too.
Who's going to bring the grapes and milk? Fermin, we can't understand what you're saying.
I think he's just saying he'll bring grapes and milk.
Alright, noted. Esgar will be the recorder of the process. Hermilio will observe. Lastly, Juanillo and Almasco will answer the question. That's all. See you guys tomorrow.